Hello there, it's Sanu, your enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all. IKEA is already in full Christmas mode, but there are lots of new everyday items too. Today, I'll show you some must-see new finds and my favorite Christmas picks as well. I'll also share what I bought, so stay tuned until the end. The USB cables have been renewed this season, and the colors are absolutely lovely. As you know, IKEA's USB cables are known for their durable fabric coating and the convenient rubber strap that keeps them tidy. They're also very affordable, which makes them easy to collect. I own several myself, and each color actually comes with different types of connectors and lengths. This one is USB-C to C 1.5 meters long. The green one behind it is also C to C 1.5 meters. And this one is A to C, and it's only $5.99. The color name says pink beige. This one is C to lightning. The ones I really want to highlight are from the non-LILLHULT series. They come in A to C and C to C, both 1 meter long. They don't have a fabric coat or rubber strap, but these are a collaboration with Swedish colorist Teklan. It's said the Teklan collection will officially launch in 2026, but I think these might be a preview of that line. Around February, we saw new pink and blue colors for the VAPI-B speaker, so I feel like these cables are part of that same collection. They also released a set with a USB adapter and an A to C cable. It's 5 watts, so it's not powerful enough to charge a smartphone or tablet, but it's perfect for IKEA's portable lights, especially those that use rechargeable batteries. I bet many people have been waiting for something like this. It's a USB-powered lamp. You can plug it into your laptop with Type-C and light up your workspace. You can even dim the brightness by holding the button, which is amazing. I was so impressed that it can turn on and off with a little click here. The previous version went viral because people found it super handy on airplanes. Airplane reading lights can feel a bit over the top. They're so bright that everyone around notices. The old black one was small and simple, but it could only turn on and off by unplugging it. Now that's improved, and it's even dimmable. Plus, the price is unbelievable. I was honestly shocked. It folds flat, so it's easy to carry around too. There are also lots of new light bulbs. I've been checking IKEA in other countries for a while, and finally, they've arrived in Japan. These are from the MOLNART series. They're not smart bulbs, but they're beautifully designed. There are 2 styles. One has a glowing line inside that looks super modern and sleek. It's quite large and really stands out. The other has a glass inside glass look, and the partially open design looks so stylish. The line 1 is 200 lumens, and the open one is 150 lumens. Personally, I love this flat-shaped one. It's slightly concave and looks adorable. Just hanging it with a cord set from the ceiling creates such a stylish vibe. They even had display examples in the lighting section. It looked so minimal and elegant. IKEA offers a wide variety of cord sets: marble style, matte finish, and colors like beige and white. Pairing these bulbs with a simple floor lamp also looks really nice. Speaking of lighting, here's another item worth mentioning. This pendant light. It comes as a full set with a black cord and ceiling cup included. It's made of natural material, probably rattan, and it has such a strong presence. The top ceiling cup is metal with a subtle design, and the mix of natural and metal textures looks fantastic. Because of its fine weave, it fits not only natural interiors, but also modern styles. It's hard to show the actual size on camera, so if you're interested, definitely check it out in person. There's also a hook-on box for 99 cents, and it comes in new colors: beige, a pretty light beige, blue, red, and what looks like orange. The blue is slightly muted. A lot of people hang these on IKEA utility carts. It says the orange is bright orange. We use Sonnersta a lot at home. We hook them on the rim of the stuffed animal bin to sort smaller plushies. We put pan handles in them inside kitchen drawers, and we use them as mini trash bins. So this new beige might be perfect for us. By the way, IKEA has a huge selection of trash bins. The trash bin section is surprisingly extensive. I own this one as well. You can hang it on a cabinet door, and because the lid flips forward, you can keep it open while you work, which is very handy. Let me show you a few more bins. This one feels very IKEA. The design is beautiful, and the slim oval shape saves space. You can even stack them. They open properly even when stacked. The soft colors and form don't scream trash bin, which I love. I spent ages looking for the right bin, so I know the struggle. It's hard to tell if the dimensions will actually fit your space. This type narrows toward the bottom, which helped in my case. Let me show you ours. Our cupboard is Panasonic series. Inside we have that hanging bin I mentioned, just a Sonnersta box clipped to the trash bin. The sizes listed online are usually maximum dimensions, so I thought this wouldn't fit, but because it tapers toward the bottom, it actually went in. The height is so tight that the lid won't close, so we use it for plastic waste with the lid off. We used to have 3 identical bins to divide the space, but we generate a lot of plastic waste, so this layout works better for us. Up front, a Muji file box holds paper recycling. We put small metal items and used batteries in a Sonnersta container. There are so many types to choose from, so if you're struggling with bins, definitely browse IKEA's online selection. Now let's move on to the Christmas purchases. I got this hanging lampshade. There are many hanging lights this year too, and like many of you mentioned in the comments, I'm amazed how IKEA keeps coming up with such charming designs every year. The classic star lights are back again this season, with lots of red tones this time. Some designs are the same as last year, but they've also added new tones that feel fresh for this season. The great thing is, they fold completely flat when not in use. Just be careful not to forget the cord set or bulb. They often sell out before the shades do. Sometimes even the cord set sells out first. So buy early if you can. I store my Christmas tree and lights in the smallest SKUBB box. It actually fits perfectly. The tree inside is 180 centimeters tall, and it still fits in the box. The starlight folds down flat, so keep the original box too. It's handy for storage. Here's the one I bought this year. Let's open it together. It's shaped kind of like a boomerang. It even comes with an instruction sheet, so don't worry. If you ever get confused, just call IKEA's Customer Service. They'll kindly explain everything. It's said to hang the cord set first before attaching the shade. Super simple. The closure uses Velcro, so you just line it up and press together. I'm using the same cord set I've used for my starlights every year. The bulb size is E12, which is the standard candelabra base in the US. I already have a hook on the ceiling, so I just hung it again this year. I wrapped the cord around neatly, then rotated the shade so the seam faces the back. Since it's a plug-in type, I connected it to a smart plug to turn it on and off automatically. The shadows it casts are beautiful, and the soft white glow blends easily with any interior. It feels cozy without changing other displays. The material is sturdier than I expected, so it won't tear easily. For ceiling hooks, I use these ones from Amazon. I'll link them below. If you don't like cords hanging down, you can even make a fake cord setup like this. It looks like a real pendant light, but there's actually no power cord running through it. This one uses IKEA's real cord set for the look, and the light bulb is a rechargeable type I found on Amazon. It's super convenient because you don't need to worry about wiring. That way, you can hang it neatly without any visible cords. The portable light shaped like a bulb is sold out now, but I'll link something similar below. It gives off a really nice warm glow too. Let's take a quick look at IKEA's room sets together. This one caught my eye. It's a room for a single parent and a child. That wardrobe in the center really stands out. It actually opens from both sides, so it doubles as a room divider. Such a creative idea. There's even a school bag at the bottom. That's how deep it is. It might get in the way of the walkway, but it's an interesting layout. Next to the fridge, there's a JONAXEL drawer unit that fits perfectly. A clean, organized look. In the living area, EVA shelves are lined up along the wall. The front holds dishes and kitchen items. The middle has a SKUBB display area, and the back has closed storage with doors. Another room set featured a spacious living dining area with green accents. A green blanket, green wall shelf. Really refreshing. Above the TV, they attached blackout roller blinds and used them as a projector screen. Such a smart idea. Projector screens can be pricey, so this is a great, affordable alternative. There's a Kallax unit in the dining area with legs added for a lighter feel. And by the way, IKEA Tokyo Bay really loves SKUBB pegboards, right? Or maybe it's just me noticing them everywhere. It feels like every room set has one. Adding doors to Kallax creates hidden storage, and inside they used Varuera boxes to organize vertically. That's such a great idea because living rooms always end up with so many little things. Having hidden storage like this really helps keep the space neat and calm. Next up, rugs. IKEA always has a huge variety of rugs, and this one belongs to that mid-size category. A bit bigger than an entry mat and perfect for hallways or beside the bed. From that lineup, this new check pattern rug really caught my eye. The backside has a super strong non-slip surface, which honestly surprised me. It actually reminds me of IKEA's bath mats. The grip feels very similar. It's machine washable too, which makes it really easy to care for. The design feels calm and cozy, and the price is unbelievably low for what you get. Now, the vase section. These new vases have such soft, elegant shapes. The textures and patterns are beautiful. The mouth is slightly narrow, so it's easy to arrange flowers in balance. The color looks like a mix of pink, beige, and brown, really warm tones. There's also a smaller version, so be careful when ordering online, since it's easy to mix them up. IKEA's classic potpourri has also been renewed. It has a gentle, natural scent that's perfect for those who prefer something subtle. They recommend using it with a 99-cent glass container. And now, there's also a new wooden tray available. That way, the potpourri gets more airflow and releases more fragrance. Each tray has unique wood grain, so I recommend picking one in person if you can. You might already be full after seeing so many items, but let's take a look at the new kitchen goods too. There are some really nice ones this time. Seriously, they're so good. This glass teapot is stunning. Completely transparent, so you can see your tea steeping. It just makes the whole tea time feel special. And by the way, if you don't like lids that press down when you pour, this one's a good option too. It's stylish and functional. I've been using it for a while. This napkin holder also got a new beige color. It used to be only green in Japan. I actually bought mine in Singapore last year, so I can't brag about it anymore. You can even bend one side and use it like a bookend. There are also adorable new kitchen towels with fringes at the ends. The off-white color and soft texture are so pretty. If you visit IKEA now, you'll see a huge variety of kitchen towels. So many good ones to choose from. The pricier ones include linen, which makes them more absorbent and durable. Not just pretty, but practical. They had a huge pile of whisks on display. It totally caught my eye. In October, IKEA will launch a new line of tableware made in Japan using traditional Minoware techniques. I'm really looking forward to that and hope to show it in my next video. Maybe I'll also show our Christmas tree and new ornaments next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you very soon in the next video.